Best 3 promo codes for Upwork. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you 3 websites from where you can get Upwork promo code. The first one is Broke Scholar. Simply go to this website and you should see different kind of promo codes. Select the promo code that you want to copy and click on copy to copy the promo code. Once you have copied the promo code, then go to Upwork's official website and redeem the code. The second website is WeThrift. In WeThrift also, you should see different kind of codes. If you want to copy these code, then simply click on copy code. Once the promo code is copied, type it in the desired section on Upwork. The third website is retailmenot.com. On this website also, you should see different kind of promo codes that are available. Along with Upwork, you can find different kind of promo codes for different apps and websites. Simply search for them and copy the codes. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.